Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2018 Chevy Silverado LT All-Star Edition. For the month of May, Apple Chevy is offering almost $11,000 below MSRP on this specific vehicle, while also offering 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $1,500 on all 2018 Silverado crew cabs below a 2LT. This four-wheel drive car has a 5.3 liter V8 engine with 17 by 8 inch bright machined aluminum wheels. When we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth seating, the relatively large back seat. The center console does flip into a third seat. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, standard dash, and even cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.